Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morningship. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 47 of half yearly examination, and today there is no SW. And our today's topic's name is exercise 11. From exercise 11 we shall solve example 6 and 7. That means we shall learn how to find out median of the data. So before starting to solve this math, at first we need to know what is median. That means the definition of median. Please notice, if the data are arranged either in ascending or descending order, the value which divides the data into two equal parts is the median. I repeat, if the data are arranged either ascending or descending order, that means if the numbers are given just like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the data are arranged in either ascending or please notice my dear student, these data are arranged in ascending order. That means these data are arranged. If these data are arranged in ascending or descending order, the value which divides the data into two equal parts is median. Here you notice 6 is the position, that means 6 is the number whose position is the median of the data. That means it divides 3 and 3, that means 3 equal parts, 2 equal parts. So 6 is the median of the given data. 6 is the median of the given data. So I hope you have understood, and this 6 divides the whole data into two parts, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I hope you have understood the definition. I repeat the definition. If the data are arranged either in ascending or descending order, the value which divides the data into two equal parts is median. Okay. So now we shall learn two formula. Let n equal to total number of data. N equal to total number of data. If n is even number, then one formula is applicable. If n is odd number, then another formula is applicable. So now we shall learn, if n is odd number, then what will be the median of the, what will be the formula of median. So here you notice, if n is odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 th term. That means n means total number of data plus 1 divided by 2 term. Okay. Suppose 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 data and n equal to 5, which is odd number. So the formula of median will be m equal to n plus 1 by 2. Here n means 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2 th term. Okay. So 6 by 2 th term. That means 3 th term. Now third term is which number? Third term is 5. So this 5 is the median. I hope you have understood the formula. If n is odd number, the median's formula will be median equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So when n is odd, then we shall find out median by using this formula. Now we shall learn, if n is even number, then how can we find out median? Median equal to n by 2 th term plus n by 2 plus 1 th term divided by 2. That means the average of numerical value of n by 2 term and n by 2 plus 1 term. Okay. So when we do example, then it is easier for you to understand. Now my dear student, notice at first we write a number, write a data. That means 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, 3. So my dear student, this data is arranged or not? This data are not arranged. So when we want to find out median, at first we arrange the data in ascending or descending order. But here we arrange the number in ascending order. So if we arrange, then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total number of data n equal to 6, which is even number. As this is even number, the formula will be n by 2, that means 6 by 2 th term plus 6 by 2 plus 1 th term divided by 2. Now 6 by 2, that means third term, plus 3 by 2 3 plus 1, that means fourth term, by 2. Now third term is notice 3, so here we write 3. Fourth term is 4, so here we write 4 divided by 2. So 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. If we divide 7 by 2, then we get 3.5. So 3.5 is the median of the given data. I hope you have understood both. Formula of median. Okay. Now my dear student, we shall solve two example by using this formula. Okay. So number 6, example number 6, find the median of the following numbers. Here the numbers are 23, 11, 25, 15, 21, 12, 17, 18, 22, 27, 29, 30, 16 and 19. My dear student, please notice these numbers are not arranged, but we have already learned when we want to find out median, at first we arrange the number in ascending or descending order. So here we arrange the number in ascending order, and which is given below: 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, 27, 29 and 30. So these numbers are arranged in ascending order, which is given here. Okay, now we count. How many data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here n equal to 14. N means total number of data. N equal to 14, which is even number. As this is even number, so we use here the formula of median when n is even number, and that is n by 2 th term plus n by 2 plus 1 th term. Okay, my dear student, th, that means term. Okay. So here if we divide 14 by 2, then we get 7th term. If we divide 14 by 2 plus 1, then we get 8th term. Okay. Here 7th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. So here 7th term is 17. Sorry, 19. 7th term is 19. 7th term is 19. So I write here 19, and 8th term is 21. I write here 21 divided by 2. No, it is 17, but 19 is here. So 7th term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th term is 19 plus 8th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21. So 19 plus 21 divided by 2. That means if we add these two numbers, we get 40 divided by 2. We divide 40 by 2 and we get 20. So this 20 will be the median of the given data. I hope you have understood. This is the answer of question number 6. Next we shall solve example number 7. It's so easy math. Okay. So the frequency distribution table of marks obtained by 50 students in mathematics are given below. Find the median. That means by using this frequency distribution table, we find out the median. So how can, please notice, frequency distribution table for finding median is given below. My dear student, here marks obtained and frequency is given from the frequency distribution table, but here we want to find the cumulative frequency. How can a new column cumulative frequency? How can we find out this cumulative frequency? Please notice the board. At first we write these 3 here. Okay. So 3 frequencies, 3 is here. Now we add this 3 with this 2, that means we add this 2 number. Okay, so 2 plus 3 it will be 5. Then we add 5 plus 5, that means 10, and here we write 10. Then we add this 10 with 4 and we get 14. This 14 is written here. Now we add 14 with 10 and we get 24. Now we add 24 with 15, we get 39. 39 with 5, then we get 44. Then we add 44 with 3, then we get 47. 47 is added with 2, it will be 49. 49 is added with 1, it will be 50. As my dear student, our total number of students is 50 students, and we have already find out the total number of students is 50. So our cumulative frequency is correct, that means this is correct. Okay, now here n equal to 50. 50 is odd number or even number? Okay, which is even number. So we use here the formula of median when n is even number. Here median equal to sum of the numerical values of 50 by 2 term and 50 by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, now sum of the numerical values of, if we divide 50 by 2, then we get 25th term, and 25 plus 1, that means 26th term. 25th term and 26th term. My dear student, where we get 25th term and where we get 26th term? Dear student, notice. This is 3, that means it start from 1 to 3. 5, this start from 1 to 5. 10, that is start from 1 to 10, 6 to 10, that means here initial point is 6 and terminal point is 10. At 14, that means it start from 11 to 14. 24, that means start from 15 to 24. My dear student, it start from 25 to 39. 25 to 39, that means 25 is here initial point and 39 is terminal point, but we need the 25th term which is lies in this number, that means in this column, So 25th term is 75 and 26th term is also 75. So we write 75 plus 75 divided by 2. We add 75, then we get 150 by 2 and we get 75, and the median of the marks obtained is 75. I hope you have understood, my dear student. This is the median of the given frequency distribution table. Okay, my dear student, there is no SW today, but you have to practice this math more and more at home, so it is clear for you to understand. My dear student, this is my today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.